How to remove Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can remove the Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. And let's begin with the video. So first of all, you need to log in into Meta Business Suite. You may just go to business.facebook.com after logging into your page and navigate to the All Tools section. And here, look for settings. Here you will be able to find a settings option here. But if you can't find the All Tool settings option under All Tools, just go to the settings at the below. And here you will be able to see this option. So here you just need to navigate to this business assets group at the left side under accounts. You should be able to see that option. After that, just go there, and here you will be able to see the pages and everything that you have added. So here just click on delete and confirm the delete, and you should be able to remove the Facebook assets pages. Or you may just go to the pages section here, and you should be able to see your page here. You may just click on remove and confirm your remove and go further with the process and remove it. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to remove the Facebook page from your Meta Business Suite. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.